In this video, I will show you how to achieve cover button using your fabric. Okay, so all you need to do, get the fabric of your choice. Okay, the fabric ready, get your cover buttons dies. We have the 45, this is size 45, and the plate and cover for 45. Okay, we have the plate, we have the cover. This is for 45, this is 36. So we have the plate and the cover for 36. Each size has its plate and the cover. Okay, this is for 36, this is for 45. So we use it on the multi-purpose machine. Okay, now how do you use it? First thing to do, you already have the eyelets dies here. So in case you have your eyelet, like here we have the eyelet dies, you have to loosen the screw here using your screwdriver. Okay, so you lose the screw and bring out the eyelet. You only remove the down part, you leave the upper part because it will still serve us for this. Okay, now after removing it, the next thing we'll do is to cut out your fabric. Okay, so the size of the fabric depends on your plate size. Okay, you can see by the time we cut out something like this, you need to have excess that will help you to wrap it inside the plate. Cut it in a circle form. Okay, basically you cut it in a circle form. Okay, you can see this one like this, it can cover up. You must cut it in a way that it will be wrapped around the plates. So you go ahead and cut out as many you want. Okay, okay, I have two here for size 45. Then you can see the 36 is smaller, so I have to cut out smaller circle form. Okay, so I'll be cutting different color in order to differentiate it. Okay, here I have the smaller color here. So anyhow you cut it, as far as it can wrap the plates, that's the most important thing. Okay, now we are done with this. The first thing you have to do, know the front and back of your fabric. So this is the front. I'll place the plate at the wrong side, then wrap it. This is the dies here. Just place the like so. You can see by the time you place it inside, the excess has already come up. What you need to do, just push it inward. This is the cover. You know the cover is having the hole where you attach it to your dress, and we'll have the cover. This is the cover. So what you do after covering, you turn it upside down. Okay, because this place moves up and down. This is the main plate, where the side where the plate is. This upper part is the cover. Okay, just put it like so, place it on the opposite, that circle place, just place it there. The same way you apply force on your eyelet, just press it down. That's all. If you apply it once, it has locked. See, you can see it has locked. So by the time you place it over the dies, just push it inward. You can see, you now cover it up. After covering it, after wrapping it all over. This is the cover. You know the cover is having the hole where you attach it to your dress. You just go ahead and cover it up. You can see it's even already covered, but it needs a force in order to be firm. Just cover it up, turn it over and place it on this ring side. Just place it. Remember we are having the eyelet on here, the upper side. So it needs longer thing that will press it down. So what I'll do, just apply the same force we did on the eyelet just once. Now this is for 36. Now we have another size which is 45. Just the same way. Get the cover, cover it up. So the right side will always face down, while the wrong side will face up. Okay. And the plate, push it down, push it in, cover it. Actually, if you cover it, it will lap, but the thing need to be strong. Okay, need pressure to make it more strong. Just turn it. You can see we have achieved beautiful buttons. We have the big size. We have the one that is bigger than this. We have 46, but this is 45, and this is normally for shirts. You can see this, so beautiful. This is the dies for this and the dies for this. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Just drop your comments on the comment section. If you find it helpful, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching. For how to do your beading, the video on how to do your beading, I'll put the description on the description box. Just click on the link and watch how you can achieve a beautiful beading using this multi-purpose machine. So make sure you watch it out and learn how to do your beading also. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.